how to create a second YouTube channel. As you may know, creating a second YouTube channel is a little bit different than creating the first one, so let's create our second YouTube channel. First of all, we need to go to YouTube and log into our account. Once we do this, all we have to do is click on our avatar profile picture in the right top corner. And once we open it, all we have to do is go down here and choose Settings from all the options available. After we go to Settings, we will see a page like this. We need to scroll down a little bit. And over here, under your account, we can see an option that says See all my channels or create a new one. So we click over here. And once we do this, we can see all our channels and we can click on the button that says Create a new channel. And after we do this, over here we need to type the new name of our channel. For example, our second channel or whatever other name we want to create, and then hit Create button. As soon as we do this, our second channel was created, as you can see over here. And that's it for today. Remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.